we are gonna look on some house. Borgan Villa Heights. Now, we talk about the positive side of Jamaica. Let's take a look. As you can see, people are living very nice homes, very nice life, cars, everything is right. Borgan Villa in Mandeville, Knockpatrick area. So, let's take a look and see what Jamaica really looks like. This is Jamaica Good Life with Randy. Big up the girl with him called Sandy. Oh, look at these beautiful homes over here. Slow down. Yeah, man. Borgan Heights. All right. Nice. Lovely. All right. This is a breath of fresh air, and today we wave to the neighbor, and life is amazing. There's positive, some places, you know. Everything is not all negative, people. Camera system for Borgan Heights Villa. As you can see, the people are living. Oh, that looks like a new scheme over there. Look at that big house over there. Alright, so we just go over here. Oh boy. Oh dear. Like Villetta, big up yourself would say. Oh dear. Them are talking about Jamaica crime, but we said Jamaica expensive and dear. Look on that big one over there. What a house. Whoa, Jamaica good life. Look on the house there. People, let me explain something to you now. Everything on here, you must not listen to. Come to Mandeville, go to St. Elizabeth, anywhere you go. Just drive around. Rent a car. And just drive around. I want to come to Jamaica. Link me up. 646-330-9150 on WhatsApp. And I'll bring you around. You know? My big fans them. Me, Nadine can't wait for you to come. I could drive, do a road trip, Nadine. Me and you. Look on the house, huh? Look on those houses up there. So, what a beauty. People are building on the mountainsides, people. And all you keep seeing about Jamaica is this negativity. And that's what this program is. There's negative and positive in the world, so we focus on the positive. And show you how people living in Jamaica. We're gonna go to another place and look at today's house there. We're gonna drive around and we're in Knockpatrick, and we're looking at homes and we're looking at how people are living. So now what you're gonna tell me, what you're gonna say to me is that you can't move back to Jamaica because of the crime. I hear you. So what do you say about these people? So you're telling me that all these people living here, it's unlivable. That's your perception? Yeah, man, you said tomato, me said tomato. Life in Jamaica is very, very balanced in different ways. You can't just talk about people who are getting a mix up and things happening like there's no life here. The purpose of our mission is to show you that your perception of Jamaica is wrong. There's two sides to every story, and I'm just showing you the other side. So, and some sweet pepper and some tomato, and eat some mango till on the Clyde. This is the other side. I'll hold the thing on top of the roof. No, hear me I say. To all my 7 days Adventist people, I love you. You know why I love 7 days Adventist people in Jamaica? Progress. If you guys come to Knockpatrick, so this is Borgan Villa Heights. This is in Mandeville, Knockpatrick around there. Just to show you that there is some positive in Jamaica. I love it, man. Nice, beautiful day today. We're gonna drive today and we're gonna look at some place and show you how people are living in Jamaica. Loving it. Loving it. Hey, remember, forget the t-shirt, you know. And you can't come roll with me. I know become Jamaica.com. When you come to Jamaica, call me and say, Randy, show me Jamaica good life. It depends. Man, them send on the wife. Me wish for them Jamaica good life. Hey, if you want some vacation for your husband, just come check me. Make sure you Jamaica good life. Man, them send on the wife. Me wish show them Jamaica good life. If you're not tired of no man, send them to me. Oi. Alright, we go find some house. We say if you're not tired of no man, send them to Randy. They show them Jamaica good life. If them are bad down now. Big up to one guy like stand. King Ming, that's nothing. People are living nice in Jamaica, man. That's Patrick, big up yourself. Now, let's go to Murray Heights. Let's see what's going on over here. Alright. So this is Murray Heights. We're going to drive and look for a house today. Today's drive day. Look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. Look at, wow. Look where the man lives, sir. Wow. Nice paint. Gate open and thing and nice. Wow. Whoa, what that? Oh, what? Them have nice house and then have fixed road. They mash up my car. That's superstar. They mash up my car. What the? Oh, this is Murray Heights. They working there. Can I come over for tea or dinner? I'm gonna check my car. And he's a winner. Never tell a lie, he's not a sinner. I can't come in here. All the people and I'm gonna see if they mash up my car. Alright, car good. Keep it moving. So this is a Murray. How you doing? I'm doing great. Wave to the neighbors them. This is Jamaica good life. Look like this. Have a lovely day. See, good Jesus loving people. Oh no, I eat that man. Jamaica too much crime, I can't live there. Hold on. This is drive time. Oh, same thing, I almost mashed up my car. The house is nice. It's probably not a house, it's an apartment, so I can build something and rent it out. Buy a piece of land. Now I've shown you guys land before. Do what you know have to do. And stop worrying with the fear. I keep telling you, life is everywhere, so stop worrying with the fear. See them for the house not done, but the gate done. Now oh, no gate done, but the house not done. I want to go shop. Alright, we're going to look for some more house. We just a drive on. So Murray Heights. Alright, that's Patrick. That was beautiful. Murray Heights. You nearly mash up my car. Alright, we'll try a different one. Different lane now. Alright. You know, big houses. Got a nice small house on the hill. Jamaicans them love live on the hill, I say. When you come to Jamaica, it's best to get a Voxy car. Because the Voxy car them drive good. And a good price and everything. So I would recommend you get a Voxy. So this is another avenue. Eccleston, blessings. Take care of yourself. Villetta, Sharon, CC, Lioness. So this is kind of like an older neighborhood. But wow, look how the houses are in Jamaica, in Manchester. So beautiful. Today is nice and sunny. All you need now is some good money and deal with the life, you know? This is Jamaica good life. And everything in Jamaica bad. You're the back of them, not the back of the car. Sometimes I take a random drive and just see what life has to offer. Let's go meet some nice people. And oh yeah, see this house from up top, you know. Oh them. Morning, sir.
Morning.
What's the neighborhood name? Oh, you just come here?
Yes,
Respect. So he doesn't know what the neighborhood name. So we'll go further in. Ah, people do them farming and them living. We're gonna meet somebody nice today, I promise you. I feel the spirit. And I hope you feel it too. Let's see. Carrots. Dirt road time. How you doing, ma'am? What's the neighborhood name?
Over here?
Yeah.
That's the Cedar Grove.
Cedar Grove?
Yeah.
They have no land for sale?
Yeah, man, I think about them side. NHT 07?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh, them I build them?
Yeah.
Them new neighborhood. Cedar Grove.
Yeah.
Love, take care. Alright.
Them just start now, some of the thing.
Them just start building?
Yeah. But some have in window already, but I'm not sure if I might sell them yet.
Okay.
That they came already.
They probably have phone number over there. I can take. So you know about.
Let me give you somebody number if you
You know. Oh, okay. You know something. What you
can. Yeah,
need?
come and work with them.
Eh?
The house them here.
Where is it to me?
Give me some number.
Okay. So this
You
is.
can call them and get to them.
Okay. 876 and take it. We just a look for land and homes for foreigners, you know?
Oh.
We have a program called Jamaica Good Life on YouTube, and we try to show the positive in Jamaica. Everybody has said crime and they now come back and live, and I say to them, you know, things are going on.
848
848
1287.
1287. And
Yeah.
that person name is?
Mr. Annie.
Mr. Annie.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah.
Alright, people, there's the number 876-848-1287. Mr. Hanif. Call him. You watch this program, he said, thank you, Randy. We get piece of land in Manchester. Now look at the beautiful. I'm gonna rewind the video and get the phone number. And keep supporting Jamaica Good Life. Become a member. Get the t-shirt. Alright, so there's something building over here. Okay. So now I have the number for Mr. Hanif. Did I tell you guys we're gonna meet someone? Did I not tell you? Alright, see? And I must believe. So This is a nice neighborhood because nobody knows about it. It's a neighborhood, but you know what I say. These are the kind of places you buy into because no, it's fresh and people don't know about it yet. See the Grove. Nice lady. Let's see what's going on here. They're just building the road. Okay. But you know, when you buy homes or buy whatever in these kind of places and it build up later, you want to invest when nothing is happening. These are the house that we saw. You remember we went up there and no, this is what I talk about. So I don't have Mr. Hanif number. Boy, you see, this is how life starts. This is how it goes. You buy one of these homes, call Mr. Hanif. Make sure you don't cook me my food. I invite me over for dinner. So Randy, I love your program, you see. Jamaica good life. I never have no money and I never know if I buy a little house. I don't want a little house up in the hills. I never want something with a lot of bills. So one morning I was watching your program and I saw some cow up on the grass and you meet a lady and she gave her a phone number. And I called the number. And little by little, I buy the house in a Randy. In a nice little neighborhood in the hills, up a grove. Look at the place. Would I live here, sir, you know? Would I buy one of the house here, you know? We should go talk to the tractor man. Whoa, look at it. That's why I love the program in Randy. Because you go places and inform us and give us connections. So when I buy the t-shirt, send the wife come and me drive her around and show her houses. Don't worry yourself, man. Me take care of her. Hey, dirty boy Randy. Yes, look there. This is how your dream starts. Nice little house, and then you just build on it. Let's go take a look. I just love this Jamaica good life adventure. How them a look. So around here say you now find a crook. I come, I'm a look out, you know. So this is what life is about. I'm just building the road. We're on an adventure to tour out Jamaica and find places. We have a name, so Mr. Hanif. We're going to give him a call. We should probably give him a call now. Why don't we give him a call and see what's going on with the house then? And the good thing with calling him, you know, it might link you up with other places that are selling land. The benefit of our program is that it's an adventure to discover. Wow. How are you doing, sir? You know Mr. Hanif is about?
Mr. Hanif?
Yes, sir.
The young guy?
The big one. The man who do the production to build the houses here.
Build the houses, them. You pass them, man. I want on your side.
In Pastor? Are the house on the runner, sir? So I'm turning in to see them.
You have to walk out and turn up
The little hill. So this is a different spot?
Yeah, this is a sewage plant.
Alright, respect my brother.
Yeah. Come back, Anton. Come back.
No, good. Give thanks. That's a sewage facility. This is Randy and the adventure. Alright, so let's go check on the houses. Mama, help me out, you know. Eh? Straight up? Can't drive us, sir. Come through.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, man. Put it down. Yeah, man. So where you work, huh?
Yeah, I work over here.
Construction?
No, the operator.
For the tractor?
Excavator.
Yeah. So you had the big man will come for me, you know, brother.
Yeah.
So wait there. See this? We're Jamaica good life.
Yeah.
8 million over the world. We promote the positivity of Jamaica. So now you drive the tractor. So come on build a house, a young car. Okay, dig it out.
Yeah, man.
Oh, no, this people I'm going to interview you. Get you out there to the world. So how long you do this? So if alright, see. So I want to break some grounds. We know you're busy with this. We want to break dig out some posts, columns. I've heard hour or day. How do you work? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
Me want an excavator.
Okay.
You understand?
So the key is that you can help people out with any kind of excavation.
Yeah, man, any little thing, man. I'll make what dig the hole, them see.
Eh?
Yeah, if I foot in here, I dig, I can cut them. See, if I dig them wide, we can cut them. I have a small bucket, I have a big bucket.
Okay, good.
We have hammer.
So how much for your... How much? So you have to look on it and give a price.
Yeah. I have to check the man for the house now.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. So, okay. You have a number, man. You have a number.
816 33 39.
Alright, so them know you. Wow, enough house around here, sir, brother.
Yeah, but you have it. Check for him up here. So
Alright.
Yeah, you can go check them on them.
Alright, cool. Respect, my brother. Yes, people, see, we get in, because we meet a brother. And, see, and enough people know about this place, you know. And we can now promote it for sale. That's how the housing scheme are going to work. So at least we don't have him number if we don't get to see him today. Mr. Hanif, about Mr. Hanif. Alright. Now if we check him, if we call him. Come, we could talk. So we're from Jamaica Good Life. Jamaica Good Life.
Yeah.
And we heard about this development. Are there homes here for sale?
No, that's say work, man. I told NHT you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's the name of the area?
It's a Perth.
What's it called?
Perth.
Perch?
Yeah.
So just contact NHC
Yeah.
and tell them about Perch.
Perth.
Perch.
Yeah.
And then they can sell homes.
Yeah.
Because we promote, we promote real estate in Jamaica.
Oh.
Okay? A lot of people we want to come back home and we tour out Jamaica, and whenever we see real estate, we promote it.
Oh.
Alright, I'm Randy. Respect, my brother.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Perth.
Yeah.
All right. They just start building.
Last year.
Them sell out already?
I don't know. That's a good.
Second. All right, cool. Respect. All right. So, guys, gonna hear it. This is how it starts. Them, people, I'm telling you something. This, we just find for you. Today was a good day. This here, some people, let me tell you something. Carl, Pert, NHT. If we don't buy one of them house here, just for start, it's when it's a housing scheme, we can always sell it later. Ain't nobody know. I can only think only good things can come from it. And we're gonna call Mr. Hanif anyway. So wow. Okay, you buy a little house in Jamaica and pay your feet. You see? That's it. Just buy a house and pay your feet. Buy a house and pay your feet. Some little house are probably about 50,000 US or 60,000 US. And if that's the value, I would never know this exists until I went on the adventure. Look how much nice people we'll meet today. The excavator. Meet the lady. If thanks, my brother. Respect. So. Yes, sir. So, people in our life sometimes have to just navigate the situation. So, for information, I don't have the man number, so we're going to finish up this one. This was a great connection, a great journey. I advise you know. It's in the mountains, and it's probably gonna be a gated community, you know. So call and find out. I'm not a real estate agent, but I recommend because they just start building. You talk to them. It seems gonna be a very nice nice community. I don't think people won't play loud music, a lot of foolishness that'll go on. And that's just how it starts. And to be honest with you, if I had the money, it's a good investment to even just purchase the home. It's a good investment, I think. All right. Or if we go right or left. Right or left, people. Let's go left. The directionally challenged. Oh, this is the man who did meet when I come down. What a journey. What a difference a day makes. Fine house phone out to rotted. Jamaica good life in a business. Yes. That's major success. And I told you guys we're gonna meet somebody nice. We did. We got a phone number. I don't know. Maybe the man don't want his number give out. But people were serious, I got call. Alright. Where I come from. Let's go Green Street. Let's go this way. maybe him no want his number giving out like that. So on the link me first. WhatsApp 646-330-9150. Can't give out the man number in a public like that. That's not a good thing. So on the link me and I will give you guys access to information around there. It's Green Street. So yes, I. Go check this place out, so I want to pass up. And just have to take a look at detour. What a place I name. Discover new places. Alright, this seems like an older neighborhood. NHT and ask them about PERT. This is in Mandeville. Wow. Hey, boss, sell me one of the house now. Sell me one of the house. More than one there. Them nice, man.
Yeah.
Are you the owner?
No. It's I was interested doing it, you know.
About how much one of them go for maybe?
I heard it's about 13.
13 million? Nice.
You know,
So them just in name PERT.
PERT, right.
So
PERT
just call
Estate.
Huh?
PERT Estate.
PERT Estate.
Yes.
Housing Trust.
So housing development. So this is one site. But it's spread right across. So even over those hills, behind those hills.
So it's gonna be a gated neighborhood? No, probably not. But it's a nice housing scheme.
Right. It's gonna be more like a housing scheme.
It's nice though, man. It's about 13 million.
That's what I heard.
So we can buy it from upstate and just pay the money.
Exactly.
Is that a nice area, safe?
Yeah, it's pretty much safe.
So this is only, are there any other places like this in Manchester developing right now?
I heard that another project like this supposed to start down by Caledonia.
And NHT will have the information.
Right. So NHT
I love it. And what do you do here for them? Like
I am a subcontractor.
Subcontractor.
So I'm one of the builders.
Respect my brother. So I can call you for build my house?
Oh, no, anytime, man.
Eh?
Anytime.
The spirit sound good enough. Give me a number.
Alright, you have something, can take it?
Just
I don't have a
we're
card.
Jamaica good life. Just say it, man. Me have your pan film.
Okay, alright, that's 331-4346.
And you can build homes.
I can build homes.
For how long you been doing it?
Over 30 years.
What's your name?
I'm Anthony Richards.
So if me dig some, if me call you one weekend and me say, Anthony, look here, I go dig some column, hole. You can build a foundation for me.
Yes, man. I took this from foundation right up.
These, how
Yes.
many?
I'm currently doing 15. All these on this side, those 3 there, some over there, and some more over that
It's
side.
so pleasure to meet you because no time you meet contractors and then they mess up the thing and lie and da. So you do things for people on the weekends?
Well, on Saturdays, because I don't work Sundays.
Okay, go
I
to
don't work
church.
Sundays. I'm a church person.
So you have a good heart.
I do.
So, I feel your spirit, you know. I told the people that we're Jamaica Good Life. We try to brand Jamaica positive.
Oh.
So people abroad, them want land, Randy, them want house, them want neighborhood, them want to retire.
Okay, yes, I
So,
understand.
so
that.
this for them today, meeting you,
Yes.
knowing you, talking to you, your information will go out there to the world. And if people want to build them house, them are going to link you.
Okay.
Because you say 30 years of experience. And these look pretty nice.
They are very, 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 and well built, I can tell you.
Well built.
Well
Did you go to school for it?
Pardon?
Have you licensed school? How you learn?
No, I started the heart thing, but I didn't finish. As a matter of fact, I'm supposed to go back, but because of the whole pandemic thing, it just crashed.
So why did they choose you as a contractor?
I'm one of them. I worked for the company before.
Yeah, and they love your work.
You know, so they when I satisfied with my work, so I'm one of the contractors.
Well, I hope other people will use your connection wisely, and I hope we can work with you.
All right.
So you say Saturday you're free.
Yes, sir.
Brethren, respect. Thank
Same
you.
to you. Thanks.
Jamaica Good Life. So we've met the subcontractor of this new development called Perth. Beautiful, small homes, man. 15 a man I work on. So yes, you said the man know what I do. Yes. Okay. We're gonna turn here. Wow. That's what's up. That's what's up, people. It's gonna start. Can always sell it back later or buy it for the kids. It's gonna be a nice neighborhood. We got it down pat. Respect, brother. You see how life works? Who would have known that you introduced to a subcontractor? I believe everything in it coming on about me. So now I have everybody, I know everybody now. One love to all. So the blessing must fall. So one love to all. The blessing must fall. I said people, I do them thing, Let me tell you something, man. That's why I'm known to love the program, guy. When I see how people are live in Jamaica, alright, I'm going to go right or left me this direction. Perth. So we started off with a neighborhood that didn't look like a good new neighborhood. So we went to the left, went to the right. Okay, got it. So now me get it now. So I call NHT and ask about Perth. And so we're virgin there. So that's how the thing go. You meet people along the way, you get information, and that's why you guys have to drive out and do this kind of thing, because in life you don't know. You say you pass through a neighborhood And then something else, you have a nice housing scheme. I want to buy a house, approximately 13 million. That's for 13 million, I'm say. 10 is about $10,000, right? For 1 million, right? Approximately. And if a 13, so 100,000 US will get you one of those, right? You can't lose. You invest in it and you can sell it later, or just buy it for your children. Them, and 5 years from now, it'll go double in price. You see, so that's a good investment. Call NHT and deal with that. And it can be your house. It's in other little house around it, so the neighborhood won't be too bad. It's about 20 minutes from Mandeville, Manchester. Right. So I've always advised you guys, make a move, and I provided a solution by getting your contacts and people. I like that build of the spirit, you know, I like him spirit. And the excavator also, I like their energy. But money talk and everything else walk. Say. When you do this thing, don't skylark. The world is changing, and you gotta get rid of your fear and get something out here in Jamaica. Good life. So today we did our due diligence. We found places for you to invest in, and you're gonna have a beautiful life. The neighborhood is okay. It's on the way to the NCU, and people are people everywhere you go. Stay out of trouble. That's what you need for now. But this is Randy, star of the show. Jamaica Good Life, productive day. We're driving now, and this is a good tour for today. I hope you enjoy it. Remember, subscribe, share it, hit the like button, you know, because when I hit the like button, I get 100 likes on these videos, and the same 100 people, I love you know. But really, the work coming out for the country, amazing, because there has to be some positivity in this country, Jamaica, and I seek to find it. Thanks to, what's your name now? Shirley, put gas in the car so we can drive far, right? So, yeah man, Raza, Swayze, take care of the baby, you know. What's Garvey in a Senton, pick up yourself, send greetings. If you don't want to send greetings to the family, you know, because we is a family. If you don't want to send greetings to the family, just call me. WhatsApp 646-330-9150. WhatsApp 646-330-9150. We say family, so if you don't want to send greetings to the family, we put it on a video, then text on the back, and you can forward it to the family. So send some greetings and love. This is the beautiful Jamaica land we love, and get a little house. I love Knockpatrick, love it, seriously. It's a beautiful distance from Mandeville, and a lot of 70s Adventists, and they're very progressive around here. Remember, we went to Borgan Villa. So, as you can see, people are living in Jamaica. Oh, there's another height we're going now. So, make we turn back. Here's a gas station, and this Texaco gas station is one of my best, one of my favorite gas stations. All around there is Pear Tree. One day we're going to take on around there for showing how that's here. Maybe even today. I'll drive all the way. Good here. Jamaica, this is, I'm going to give you the neighborhood name. Look at these houses being built. This is in Knockpatrick, Mandeville. Look at these homes. Huh? Look at these homes here. And building and building and building. Man, you don't see these on YouTube. You don't see this kind of energy on YouTube. You start your house, you finish it up later. Look at that. How beautiful. Get a piece of Latin. What do you think? It's cool in Mandeville. Unlike other places where you have to use air conditioning. You could plant some yam. Look at these homes being built. This is the kind of Jamaica you don't see on YouTube. They're not showing you the new Jamaica build up. Look at this beautiful home. Very nice fence. Wow. Cow and calf. Washington Drive. So we drove into another location around Knockpatrick area. In life, you know, sometimes you have to turn off the YouTube, turn off on the road, and just drive and explore. And the things you'll find in discovering this great life. Everything is not all negative. If you look for the positive, you will find it. Wow, look at that. I want to listen to the peace and quiet. I have a yam stick beside the house. Beautiful gate. Yes. Look at it. Now you tell me, is it possible to live in this country? Okay then. Okay, so that's Point Sienna Heights. Okay. That was Point Sienna Heights. All I really want now is a good wife. Yeah, I'll be on the journey, so another road I've got turned down in here, you know. Sure, we'll miss the road them today. Let's go around Pear Tree area. We'll take a look around here. So, at the Texaco gas station, you can search for Texaco gas station. Now, what is this place? Parkview Drive, Extra Seal. That's the Caribbean Christian something. Caribbean Christian Center for the Deaf. Okay. Now that's some place you could Google and support them. And you can Google that to get the location here. So we're looking at homes and we're looking at how people live in Jamaica. So when you buy your land, you buy yourself some cows and do what you have to do. The people that say Jamaica have too much crime, they look fun. Hey! All the people that live is a good man, you know. You look funny house too. They have apartments, so sometimes you don't build a house, you build an apartment complex and rent it out. That's how you make your money when you retire. Good luck to you, get a good lawyer. For all my members of Jamaica Good Life. I have some good lawyer friends. Look on the one there. On the turn there. Look on the one there. On the turn there. Big house in a Mandeville. A new tune that me work on the one there. Look on the one there, eh? Look on the one there and there. On the dog. Don't worry about that thing. We're gonna drive and drive and drive and for miles and miles and miles. Enough surprise and surprise and surprise. Yes, yes, yes. Look wonder one day, on a Sunday, when you better come home to Jamaica. Big up to Sunday. Boy, if me never show no to the life, one of the things you appear, gunshot down here, so and thief and robber. You know, I never know say Jamaica so build up. You know, still up. You need to wake up. This is an apartment complex. So you can rent out here and have a buzzer and thing. Have no fear. Okay. So if you don't want to live somewhere, and you can rent somewhere in Knockpatrick, live on the life, yeah? The sun is shining today beautifully. Just showing people how people are living. You know, so we keep driving. So, just 20 minutes to a circumference, 20 minutes from Mandeville, and enjoy yourself. But we do have to go turn, yes. People also over there, so the people are living up. So here's them cold, and I do what I'm off to do. Boy, turn over the van. If you don't see on a little house in the film, call me. And you pass my house. I love doing this because this helped me to program within myself positivity. It gives us hope for our country. When everybody in the news just report all the killings constantly, just like the one that get killed, the one that get chopped up, the one that get this, the one that get that, the one that get this every day. We strive on negativity, we strive on fear, and this program is to create the balance. So much is building out here in Jamaica, and this is just Manchester. I talk about St. Elizabeth and all over. So when people are talking about Jamaica, you know what you're talking about. Look how much meter that. This is a apartment complex for renting. No phone number, all buzzing, gated community. So if you don't want to buy right now, you just want to stay out here for a while and you're retired, maybe you can rent something. I don't get the information, so when you come to Knockpatrick, search for the Christian Center of the Deaf and then take a left. Okay? Caribbean Christian Center for the Deaf, and then you take a left. You probably could just drive around and explore and find your dream location. One of the reasons you could rent a place like that for 6 months and then make a decision, and you probably can find some land to buy. Look at that beautiful home. Blessings. Big wild. Look at them after big wild. Are you been such a big wild here? People have money. They're a big wild. So me don't know what go on. Where the money people get so much money from? Building big house here. Ratted Maxine. Where they get them big house? Where you building big house here? Eh? Look on it. Maxine, look on the big house there in Manchester. Eh? No, sir. So then, after I watch the video, then you see somebody else get killed, then you give up hope. Look here. Now what they look here, sir. This is apartments. So you can build an apartment complex. You don't have to live here. Rent it out, make no money. Look there. Look there, sir. That's a one house, sir. Yeah, man, I've been called them and everything. Oh, there's so much good life to live out here. Woman clothes expensive and dear, missus. Why? I take a ride. I was enlightened today. I feel happy. When we see the house, them water. Let's see now. I'm gonna get you a locator. So now search for the Caribbean Christian to find out this lovely area. Google for the Caribbean Christian Center, and center is spelled the British for the deaf. All right, beautiful neighborhood. You know, say this is Parkview Drive. So let's go down in Parkview Drive, shall we? Let's go to Parkview Drive and check it out. Don't stop talking before me come down my head. Listen, man, I'm bad man. Sure. Talk about foolishness. We could go look on some pretty house. Boy, Lord of mercy. Look on the garden, sir. The crabgrass. And I know some no crabgrass. So I'm saying catch it. Look on that one there. We no turn there. Turn that far in. In a cool. Look yourself for sale. Did Randy buy an apartment? Did I find an apartment complex for you? Alright, look on a look at neighborhood your Hawkeye. See that for sale. So if this is for sale, I have to just get the number phone. Alright, see that? For sale. Zoom in. Alright, I'm gonna call the number there and buy the apartment complex. See that? Take all the time. You got it? Alright. Wanna buy it? Wanna build it? See there? Buy it. I rent it out. I'm making the money. It's almost there. No stress from builders and all that. Get on a good lawyer, do you know? But if you don't get good lawyers, don't hold me liable for anything. Don't say I ran the town if you buy it, but buy it, rent it out. Good, nice neighborhood. Let's listen to the peace and tranquility. Listen. Look at that house. That's another apartment complex. There's a lot of apartment complex. Yes. And this is called Parkview Drive. Texaco gas station is right here. There's another neighborhood, another little turn I'm going to go into on House Drive there. If you like the show, make a comment. Don't just watch the show, just comment to like the like button and share it with other friends them. So when the one them talk about crime in Jamaica and others that them talk about, show them this video. How people are living. Enough love we are given. Saving separate the bad from the good, as you should. Nice house there. Another nice one. What's this little neighborhood called? Uh-huh. Nice and sunny and lovely here in Jamaica. Beautiful home right there. I just love it. Everywhere you turn is good life. Everywhere you turn is good life. This is Browntown Street. That's the main road. So we went to Borgan Heights, and that was pretty nice. Really amazing experience in this video. We went to Point Sienna Heights. We saw some things for sale there. So I have a good idea of the place now. I normally drive straight, but now I've seen what's around. We're gonna turn into another area to take a look at another little town. So now we have Lambtown Road. Let's see what's up here. Oh, look on the house then. Wow, look at this. Wow, you would never know. Wow. Wow, people. You would never know. Things are being hidden in Jamaica. Wow. Look at this. Wow. Apartment buildings. Sometimes you get in trouble in Jamaica when too much people know your business. So the best thing to do is to mind your business. I have friends that live here, they mind their business. I'm gonna paint up the place. I would never know this was back here. Are you feeling the vibe now? I don't like Blue House. Which one I don't like Blue House? I don't like Blue House? Alright. See a nice Blue House up on top of the hill. Yes. This is a happy day. I feel good. Going further back. Buy 2 white goat. Red everywhere. It's a work of art. Driving through Jamaica and just seeing how people live in Manchester. I hope to do this for other parishes. If you enjoy this adventure, like the video and support the program by the t-shirt, because this hopefully reinforces in you that there is hope. Morning. Walking so slow today. Yes. I am your captain. Look on it. Hey, Christian, I know you want to come down here, come live. Lady at the shop. It just take you one turn, on a road, and it's a whole different world. Whole different adventure in Jamaica. One turn. I hope you get an idea. And this you think so what I'm trying to show you is that when things are happening in Jamaica, you might think it's just happening in one place, but it's very spaced out, That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. Jamaica is very spaced out. Look at that nice piece of land. some soap. Wish that was my house. People that might live, man. People that might build, people that might live. Wow. You see, we just make one turn and I know let the video speak for itself. Because the good thing about it, your farm, you live, your sunshine, your trees. The next vacation, just rent a car and drive, ask questions. Rent an Airbnb, get the Airbnb app and just throw the app down and live in a location and talk to the people and learn. Okay, watch out, don't. Look at the people you are, you know. Watching yourself. Town in Manchester. Yo, but there's some nice people in Jamaica. And you just have to talk up. In Jamaica, them say, talk the thing. Just speak up, and farmers are here and they're making life. Don't be afraid to retire, big man. If you want connection, I'll give you a connection to people. And I gave out the number a lot of people. Just come hold a drink and relax yourself. Beanie, big up yourself. This is what this program is about. When I travel alone sometimes, it's better because my joy and happiness come out, you know what I say? Look at that nice greenhouse. And the lady walks slow. You know. And the dog won't bite my car tire. So Lambtown. So I've been to Lambtown. Yeah. Construction. One great man told me once, now look at this. Look at that house. On top of that. Amazing. One man told me one time, don't deal with people when they have no job. Careful to spar with them. That's your man. Alright, have a nice day, mama.
Okay.
I've met some good people today. I feel their heart. And this house drive with Randy was brought to you by Mind Your Business and Shut Your Mouth. Goat. Listen. Let me tell you something. You see, when you come to Jamaica, mind your business and shut your mouth. That's what Randy's talking about. Whoa, bro. Lambtown. It's nice to see you. It's nice to meet you, Lambtown. And tell him Sir Randy was around. What we say? When a time there, up on the one day. Your big house there, Jamaica. On a time there. Talking the foolishness about Jamaica is unlivable. Too much crime. Don't waste my time. For sure, no. And it can't possibly be that everybody has so run gone left their house. Talk foolishness, I don't know what I'm talking about. So, Lambtown Road, Google it. So we're going back now. Another turn off there, so look on the one day. Another day we will do that one day. The 7 Days Adventist Church National. Until next time, people, we love when you like cook food. Take care of yourself.